Good morning all. Nazar Scott here with NS Tax Service. Did you know that you can take a tax credit for each dependent child claimed on your tax return? Now, this is going to be different from my previous video in which I talked about expenses paid for your children. This credit is a set amount, $1,000, just based on each dependent child. It is not tied to any expenses paid for that child. Okay? Two other things you want to note. Number one, this credit is only going to be available for dependent children that are 17 years or younger. The other thing to note is that a portion of this credit can be refundable to you. Okay, that's going to be based on your earned income. It's also going to be based on what your regular tax is. Child tax credit is going to be taken on Form 8812. Okay, this is going to wrap up my conversation about child tax credits. I hope you all found this helpful. Let me just say a few things about credits. Number one, credits are going to be the best thing to take on the tax return, in my opinion, better than deductions. And here's why I say that. Tax credits are going to offset your tax liability dollar for dollar. Okay? Congress writes the tax law. The IRS is simply there to enforce it. What Congress is looking to do with credits is to both assist you and to encourage certain behaviors. Let's take the Savers Credit. The Savers Credit is out there to encourage lower income individuals who typically wouldn't contribute to their retirement accounts to contribute. Congress says you can get a tax break for doing that, right? The adoption credit is similar. We'll give you a credit for adopting a child. The hope is that more people will be encouraged to adopt a child. One last thing I'll say about the credits. Every credit has a phase out amount, and here's exactly what I mean by that. Okay, as your income moves up, you begin to lose a part of that credit. And when your income gets to a certain level, that credit is completely phased out, which means it will not benefit you on the tax return. I hope this was helpful. Okay? Please remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Take care, and happy filing season.